Hello, my name's John from the Stadium YouTube channel, and today I have been back down to the Bramley-moore dock to give an update on the new Everton stadium build. Let's just get straight in. So this container that you're looking at the moment has literally just been taken off the roof by this big ass crane. We just missed it as we got there, to be honest. So I'm a bit gutted about that, but it is what it is. Yeah, so that's just been taken down there. This side roof barrel cladding, I think it's called, really coming along. And I've just noticed the pattern there, the lines in the cladding itself. I hadn't noticed that before, so that's something new. As we were there, they were actually fitting a piece, so we're going to take a look at that. Just getting the drone into place to take a little good look at it. Basically seeing how they do it might be quite interesting, and then we will move on to the next part of the video. Here we go. We're just going to zoom in now. So it was the 11th of June, which is today, and this was about 3 o'clock. We've just we recorded this. So as you can see, they're just fitting them on there at the moment. So it's really coming along, isn't it? It's really looking very, very much prominent now as you look at it. So just while we're getting round to the north side of the stand of the site, I'll just give you a little update on the last video we done. So I've been looking into trying to get some live streams going with the drone. Now, I'm with the EE and got 5G and whatever, but it just doesn't seem to be strong enough to be able to cope with the connection for some reason. So that's something I'm trying to work on, how I can get around that. So I will try and come up with something for that and see if we can get a workaround for it. Just in case you think I forgot about it, because I didn't only mention it in the last video, hasn't been forgotten about, and it is something that I'm working on in the background to try and get sorted. So, fan zone and the front of the east stand, which is the Dock Road side of the site, and there's still plenty of materials looking like they need to go down. So that is that at the moment. Just getting right to the edge. So that is how that is looking right at this moment in time. Now, anyone who watches my videos regularly, especially with the Everton updates, I will always be honest. And if I don't know something, I've got no shame in saying I haven't got a clue what they're doing, or blah blah blah, or whatever. So this is going to be one of them times. So if anyone does know what they are doing, just drop a little comment in the comment section below. You'll see what I mean in just a short few seconds. So we got some guys in a cherry picker there, doing some work underneath the roof by the looks of it. But I don't know whether it's just fitting the bottom cladding. Maybe, I'm not sure. But if you do know what they are up to, just give us a little comment in the comment section below. These comments are always helpful to me. Excuse me, sorry. So we're just having a little peer through the perspective glass covers. Yeah. Sorry, I don't know what's happening to me here. So there seems to be a few seats missing from the bottom tier. I'm sure they will be put in at some point. So we're just going to get round to the Mersey side of the site now, which will be the west side of the ground. Right, so this is what I wanted to mention. I've seen a story, and I don't know how true this is, but I've seen it a few times on different outlets. A company called AJ Bell. Now, I don't know whether this is a piss take or whatever, but it just made me laugh. It said AJ Bell wants to take over Everton Football Club on one condition, that he can name the away support end the Bell End. So I'm sure that's just a joke, but I just thought I'd share that with you. Everton do need to take over very soon and very quickly. There are a few parties interested have been reading. We're not going to delve too much into that today, but I think there are parties who are expressing an interest in taking over this club and hopefully getting it back to where it belongs to be. So we got out over the Mersey this afternoon, and we're just going to take a good little look at this west side and see what's happening. How many people over this side, to be honest? They all seem to be on the other side, working away. To be honest, I can't see many people at all on this side. Oh, maybe I'm just blind. There is a few. So that's going to be one of the main entrances just there. Looks like some of the windows are boarded up though, doesn't it? So that is the Everton Stadium at the moment. We will get round and do the other side on Thursday, maybe, depending if I can get out of my house with this stupid Taylor Swift concert. We'll see. Take care, and we'll see you soon.